Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you a really cool trick in Instagram where when someone sends you a message and you want to read that message but you don't want the other person to know you have read the message. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a setting within Instagram where you need to enable it and it'll let you view the message without the person knowing about it. For example, let's say someone messaged you on Instagram like this. You get the notification and you can see it in the DM list. However, you want to read the message, but at the same time, you don't want to let the person know that you have read it. So in order to do that, you need to go back to your Instagram homepage, search for the person and tap on their profile. Now tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on restrict. Accept the message and press dismiss. Now go back to your DMs. You should see a new section appear at the top right called request. The user who DM'd you will be moved to the request section of your DM screen. Tap on request. Now read your message. The good part is that the person who sent you this message will not find out that you have read the message. Now, if you unrestrict the account and then go back to the DM screen, then read the message, the other person will then see the seen message on their screen. This gives the indication that you have read the message. And there you go, that is a really cool trick for Instagram when you want to read the message but you don't want the opposite party to know that you have read the message. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.